How to manifest things by writing them down. Manifesting is the act of bringing thoughts, emotions, and desires into reality. There are many techniques to bring forth your desires, but we will focus on writing. When talking about manifesting, you've probably come across the law of attraction. Essentially, they're the same, but what's important is before we go over the techniques to manifest, we have to get our minds centered. Let's take wealth, for example. One way this law of attraction manifests in real life is when a person starts acting like he's wealthy. He dresses well, he says money is not an issue, and his overall demeanor changes dramatically. You are acting or being on the frequency of wealth. Here's another example. A struggling restaurant owner also follows suit by acting like they're an insanely popular restaurant. And before they know it, customers start coming in droves. By thinking mentally like a popular company or living the life of someone who has what their heart truly desires, reality began to match their mind's perception. And if you try it for yourself, you'll be surprised with how soon it will appear in your own life and experience. So now that we're ready, we can begin talking about the manifestation techniques that really work. Writing is a manifestation technique that can be used to manifest your desires. It is a very powerful tool that you can use to create your future. What you write and the way you write it will determine how successful it will be. You need to know what you want and then focus on writing about it in the present tense as if it has already happened. Now that we understand that, here are 3 steps to manifest your desires with simply a paper and pen. First, write down what you want. This technique, which is very simple, is used by many people who want to see their dreams come true. First, write down your desires or your thoughts on a piece of paper. You can write down anything you want, as long as it's something that you desire or you want in your life. It could be anything from I am happy to I have an amazing job. And then after that, you're going to write a list of the qualities you have that might help you achieve your desires. List what skills, habits, and attributes you have that might help you attain the goals on your list. Next, identify a specific day. For example, I went with Tuesday because I felt like Tuesday would be a great day to focus on your goals. Plan out your daily routine the week before. Planning the days to follow is crucial because it will help you get into a habit and stay focused by working towards your goal every day. Now, after we compiled all this together, you're going to read the list out loud. Reading the list out loud will help make it more real and help you focus on what matters most in your life. As you read the list out loud, you should be able to identify which sections are most important to you, thus making your true vision more clear. That's the first technique. Second is draw a picture of it. You don't have to be a Picasso to do this, but this will help you visualize the goal even more, which is important for success. While drawing your picture, make a plan by putting it into action on what will make your dreams come true. And then set a daily goal about that, whether it's setting an alarm, reminders on your phone to stay just focused on that particular goal. This is the key in order to achieve success. And then after, reward yourself once you manifest it. Final step, imagine how it will feel to have what you want in your life. Keyword, imagine. The last step doesn't involve paper or pen necessarily, but can be used in addition to the previous steps. Your mind and imagination are really powerful tools. So as you visualize it, you'll begin to feel happy about your goal and you'll want more good things in your life. By writing or drawing your visions out on a sheet of paper, you can use visualization to help aid that manifestation even more. It is important to keep a positive attitude when manifesting your desires. Make sure that you are using the right words in your manifestation technique and have a clear vision of what you want. The technique of manifestation is to write a clear, concise, and compelling description of what you want in your life. With this technique, you are not just writing about what you want, but also feeling it and believing it. This is a powerful way to manifest anything that your heart truly desires. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what manifestation is and how writing can be a great tool with the law of attraction. Thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe.